All right, hello. Today we've got the $1.50 Trinket of Appreciation. Now I've got a few little trinkets I've made. They're pretty cool. This one is a square and you just bend it a little bit and it's an awesome flicker. Then I've got that one's double-sided as well. I've got this double-sided 8-pointed star. You can put a nickel in one side, or you can put a dime in each side, or a penny in each side to make it have some heft, and it feels pretty cool when they got a coin inside. So this one is the $1.50, and we're going to do it today. And you can switch it around, make it with a $50 bill, and it'll be the $50 Trinket of Appreciation. They'll really enjoy that till they take it apart and spend it, or they'll enjoy it more that way. Either way, here's the folding pattern. So you just fold the bill in half, open it up, divide into eighths, all the same direction. All the horizontal and the vertical folds are all mountain folds. And then the angle folds are all valley folds. So I've got eighths. I guess I said that. So here's the folding pattern all completed. This is going to make the opposite pattern. If you want the green on the outside, then you start by, if you want the green on the top and the bottom, you start by folding the green side in. And if you want the gray around the ring, you start by folding the gray in. So, well, it's actually flipped around this way on the, it's flipped around like this. So you fold it in. This is still correct. All the angle folds are valleys, and all the mountain folds are the vertical lines and the horizontal. So after you pre-fold it all, then you wrap it around and you overlap two panels of the eighths. It's a hexagon. And then you just hold it from slipping, and you push the vertical folds over and lay the angle folds down. Hang on. Sorry about that. Wasn't sure if it was in focus. So you just twist these on around and down like that. And then you get you a 50-cent piece of Kennedy or Ben Franklin. 1963. And then you put it in and you do the same thing to the other side. And you're done. Now, if you want it to open and close really good, instead of putting the coin in it first, you close it up and you flatten it down really well. You can do that with the battery technique, or if you have a little block. And it works after the coin's in there too. But then if you don't have the coin in there, you can really crease it much harder. So there it is. If you need more information on folding it, leave me a comment and maybe I'll do the whole thing. But I think that it's a simple folding technique. You just make it go through all the folds. You can fold all these from here to here at once before you fold it in half. So you fold it into eighths, and then you do the angle folds, and then you fold it in half, and then you do the assembly. So there you go. It's just a quick little video, trinket of appreciation. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope whoever you give one to really enjoys it too. Thanks for watching. More to come.